Sharon,
400
I
square
haven't
feet.
spoken to anyone. I'll say this for the last time.
Oh,
I've been
so
trying to
sorry.
reach you
Okay,
for
so sorry.
weeks, and you send me
Mm-hmm.
the same message. Text me,
Mm-hmm.
text me, text
Right.
me,
Okay.
text me. Hi, I'd like to lease some space from you.
Mm-hmm.
I received your text that says it's rented, but we never talked about the space in question, so I want to make sure we're on the same page.
Did you call before?
I've called you dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of times, and you text me every time, please text me.
Oh,
And last week you sent,
okay.
it's already rented, but we never discussed a single word about which space that I'm interested in.
Oh, okay.
Mm,
You're talking about Laundromat, right? You mentioned the Laundromat.
correct.
Right. So already we've been talking to some experienced Laundromat business person, but they decide not to. So now available
that
to talk to you.
experienced person has 36 locations in 3 states because that's who I am.
Okay.
I emailed your boss
if you have-
John. I emailed your boss John Bay, and he said to call you and to get you on the phone. Yet, let's put this behind us. I've been trying to reach you for weeks and weeks, and you say, "Text me, text me, text
Okay.
me, text me,
Yeah,
text
yeah.
me, text me."
Okay.
Hi, I'm
John
Danny
Bay, first of all,
D'Angelo. Hi, I'm Danny D'Angelo.
excuse me.
I have. Yeah, go ahead.
You could have talked to John Bay too. He's my partner. He's not my boss. He's my partner.
Excellent.
Who told you that he's my boss?
I said that.
Oh, okay. He's not my boss. He's my partner.
Would you
He
rather
could
I
have talked
talk to
you
him?
too.
Would you rather I speak to him?
Doesn't matter. You're on the
Doesn't
line with
matter.
me. You can talk, or you can.
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's do it. So, do you own the building on South Alvarado, or do you work for a landlord?
I don't own the building, but I'm very close to my the property owner.
Okay, good. I would like to lease the space for 15 years and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on washers and dryers. It needs an update.
Right.
It needs new equipment. And your other guy fell apart and fell through. So, what's the square footage and what's your asking rate?
Okay, that I can tell you, but I don't know just why he didn't talk to you about that. That's about 2,400
Sharon, I haven't
feet.
spoken to anyone. I'll say this for the last time.
Oh,
I've been trying to
sorry.
reach you for weeks, and you send me the same message. Text me, text me, text me, text me.
All right. Okay, stop. Let me talk to you. You know why? Because everybody calling from Laundromat, like, they want to sell machines. So I thought, you see,
Don't think
on my
that.
phone
That's
right
not
now,
me. I'm not a broker. I'm not a
Laundromat.
salesman. I want to lease the space. Let's go ahead and rubber stamp that so we can move forward.
Right. If you could, okay, this is what it is.
Maybe don't assume in the future. Don't assume.
Listen, and then listen, free laundromat, and you're calling from Arizona, right? You say Arizona, so they were selling machine to the,
where are my stores? How many stores do I have, and where are they?
I don't know, but people.
But I already told you that on this very phone call. I told you that, but you weren't listening. I have 36 locations in Arizona, California.
Oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
See, but if you talk over me, you'll never hear me. It's funny how that works. Hi, I'm Danny D'Angelo. I have 36 locations in Arizona, California. You don't own the building, young lady, so I suggest we get to the dirty. What would you like in rent for the next 15 years so that I can deal with your landlord and give them a check?
Okay, this is what it is. Let me talk to John Bay, okay? That we have to
Oh my God. You're the one that I need to talk to, or I need to talk to John Bay?
Why are we here? I don't know.
What is going on?
Let me talk to John Bay first.
Go talk to John Bay. Yeah, Go ahead.
Let me talk to John Bay first. I call you because
sure, I'll hold my breath.
You have to submit the.
I'll hold my breath.
You need to, like application or something, so we can present to the owner. Okay.
Oh, great.
All right.
Yeah. How much is the lease? How much is the lease rate?
Before or previous seller. Right now, That's why another reason
the
you can get the
previous
loan.
tenant failed. They couldn't pay the rent. So I'm not going to be in the same boat
Okay.
because I won't have that
Listen.
30-year-old equipment in the store. You try listening, young
You're
lady.
going too
You
fast.
work for
You're
the
talking too much. Listen, you asked me how much is the rent, right? You asked me how much is the rent. I was going to tell you now you're talking. Listen, let me talk, okay? You call me, right? For a lot of questions, right? Let me talk. $2 per square feet before, okay? But right now, I don't know what building owner going to charge. Let me ask John, okay? And call you back.
I thought
is that
John,
okay?
John's not your boss. He's your partner.
He's not my boss. He's my partner. Okay?
I'll hold
Let
my
me
breath.
talk what he talked to
4
the
weeks I've
building
been trying
owner,
to reach you. God bless. Bye-bye.
So sorry.
So sorry. It's draining. It's just, for me, it's draining. Text me, she says. Text me. Text me. No, I need to have a telephone conversation and you need to do your job. She doesn't want to do her job. Remind me what? No, he's not my boss. He's my partner. You have partners? Okay. The conversation speaks for itself. They had someone on the hook, and I think she said somewhere in there it's $2.50 a square foot. Whatever. That's not going to happen. That's their asking rate. Utterly, utterly ridiculous. I thought you were an equipment salesman. You heard her say that.
Yeah, I did.
What makes you think that? I also said, here's my name 3 times. I said, I own stores in these states, and this is how many. She wasn't listening.
Yeah, she wasn't.
When we assume, we make an ass of you and me.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.